What is going on, guys? So today and tomorrow, I don't know, I got these DS18 6x9s for the back of my car. I drive a 2009 Ford Fusion SE. It actually has pre-cut holes in the metal in the trunk that I can cut the rug that covers them to put speakers there if I wanted to add more. So today I got some DS18 6x9s, 4-way coaxial speakers, or coaxial, however you like to pronounce it. I'm very excited because DS18 makes some awesome speakers. Other opinions and other stuff, but their speakers are top, and I'm very excited to get these in. So without further ado, let me get this box open and show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, so we just got this unboxed, and these look amazing in person. And they weren't even that expensive, to be honest. Out of all others I've seen, these were amazing, and they were really, I think they were on a discount, so maybe that's why. So here is one of them. So we got a 4-way, so we got the main down here, and I think these are pretty much just 3 other tweeter kind of speakers. I'm not 100% sure really how they work. I mean, explanations would be amazing. But my door speakers are actually the CT Sounds Bio 5x7s, and those are only 2-way. So these should actually be louder. Plus they'll be on an amp. My door speakers are only on my radio power stock. So if we come down here, we can see the spider, and we can see the leads that go into the cone, and our little magnet. These got some good weight to them. Very protected in there. I like this. It's almost like a carbon fiber cone. They look just absolutely amazing, and I'm very excited to get these in here. They came in very good packaging. We got the covers that also look amazing that I will be using, and then screws and some cords. So the details about these speakers, oh my god, actually they're 5-way speakers. Wow, I guess these 6x9s are 5-way coaxial speakers, which is insane because that actually would be true considering these 2 right here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're 5-way coaxial speakers, single 4 ohms. So I think together they're 2 ohms, or together they're 4 ohms, because they might be considering that as a pair. 65 watts RMS, which is what they'll probably be getting. We got all the sensitivity, 1-inch coil, which is perfectly fine. That's not gonna really matter. They got all the stuff about the motor, and then they got the tweeter voice coils and all that kind of stuff. Because I think this main tweeter actually does have more to it than these other ones, and that's pretty much it. So the grills are amazing, the speakers look amazing, and if I flip this over, there's more details on the bottom. So it looks like actually this might be 4 ohms, like just this one, so they will be wired to 2. So they'll be awesome and loud, and some more sound from my car. So I guess next part of the video will be them in the car. I might cut it and show some what I did before I get them in there. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the 2 5-way speakers put in the back, wired up to the Jensen amp, which I also have this on. This is loud as heck, but these also are they add a lot of sound to the back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.